Hi friends, this is Charlie, your OET and IELTS trainer from FLC. Now today's video is about listening and how to prepare listening in just 3 easy steps. Step number 1 is what you need to do is most of the candidates find it difficult to just listen and follow the tape. To cover or overcome this problem, what you need to do is just listen and re-listen the tape. For this, you do not need to have like any kind of handout or like paper in your hand. So just listen and try to see what the speaker is saying so that you can cover the accent and the speed of the tape. Now, for the step number 2, what you need to do is listen and read. Now, in this particular step, what you need to do is do not solve the paper. Like most of the candidates try to solve the paper at the same time. Now, there are different skills. So once you have started listening, second thing what you need to do is just listen and read. Means just play the tape and follow the script like whatever it's written on the page, so that you must be knowing at which bullet they are at the same time when the tape and the speaker is speaking. So once you have covered listening skill and listen and read skill, the third skill which you need to develop is called listen and write. For the step number 3, the listen and write, what you need to do is uh, just listen according to the tape and try to take notes. Now, for example, if you're talking about IELTS, and let's suppose we take section 1. In section 1, we know the information is being given and information is being taken by one candidate, and most of the answers are by the person who is taking the information. So just jot down the notes what the person is trying to get the information. And if you are talking about the OET listing part A, you can say most of the answers are given by the patient. So what you can do is just listen to the tape and note down whatever the patient is trying to give the information to the medical professional. So once you have practiced the listen and then listen and read, and third, the listen and write skill. Now, what you need to do is you need to fuse all these steps together. Now, if we just have an overview of the listening paper, what you need is you listen, you read, and you write at the same time. So basically, you need 3 different skill sets. But as the paper is being set, it's a do while listen technique. So what you need to do is you need to gel up all these 3 skills. So on each skill individually, try to get the grip on them, and then finally what you can do is just fuse them together, and that's how you can prepare your listening in 3 easy steps. Well, I hope this video helps you in preparing your listening. If you have any further queries, you can comment me or you can ask me, and we can make another video according to this.